Hello friends, today I'm going to show you baked mango yogurt. This is a very easy recipe with very few ingredients. For this recipe, first of all we need sour yogurt. You can use sweetened yogurt, but I'm using sour yogurt, some cardamom powder, and of course mango puree, egg yolk, and some condensed milk. Oh, and for garnishing I am using raisins. So now first of all I am going to put here I take half cup of sour yogurt. Now I am going to mix 1/4 cup of condensed milk into the yogurt. Okay, so here I am taking approximately 1/4 cup of condensed milk. So as the condensed milk is sweetened and mango is also sweetened, that's why I'm not going to add any extra sugar. But if you want, you can add some extra sugar. Now I'm going to put the mango puree into my curd. So I add the mangoes also. Now I'm going to mix them well. Now I'm going to add the egg. Okay, so I'm going to add the egg yolk. I add the egg yolk into the mix. Okay, now I'm going to add some cardamom powder. Here I'm gonna put like half teaspoon of cardamom powder. Or you can use vanilla essence also. But as I am using the mango, that's why I prefer to use the cardamom powder. So it's give you that tropical feel. I'm going to mix them for about 3 to 5 minutes. After 3 to 5 minutes, I will get a perfectly perfectly mixed. Okay friends, now the mix is ready. I'm going to add some raisins. So I'm gonna add a handful of raisins. I just add a handful of raisins. Now I'm going to mix them well. I just mix the raisins into the yogurt and mango puree. Okay, here I have already greased the muffin tray. Now I am going to put the mixture into the muffin tray. Oh, and I forget to tell you, I used half cup of mango puree. So in total I use half cup of yogurt, sour yogurt, and half cup of mango puree, 1/4 cup of condensed milk, half teaspoon of cardamom powder, and a handful of raisins. Now I'm gonna put the mixture into the muffin tray, which I have already greased. And I'm going to bake this for about 15 minutes. You don't have to preheat the oven for this. You just put them in the oven. So I just fill up my muffin tray and I'm going to put it into the oven for about 15 minutes. Okay friend, here you have it, the baked mango yogurt. I have baked the mango yogurt mix for about 20 minutes in 250 degree Celsius. I did not preheat the oven. I just put them in the oven for 20 minutes. That's it. This is a very refreshing and healthy summer recipe. You guys can try it. It's very simple. And if you like my recipe, then please please press the like button. And for more and more quick and tasty and healthy recipe, please subscribe my channel. Hope to see you soon with another new video. Till then, bye bye.